Today, we're diving into the Atlas browser. With a promise of enhanced privacy and speed, it claims to offer a different browsing experience. But does it really deliver? Let's explore what sets it apart and what you should know before diving in. Atlas Browser positions itself as a privacy-focused alternative to mainstream browsers. At its core, it offers features like built-in ad blockers, tracker prevention, and a sleek interface designed for speed. The user experience feels intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering some advanced features for tech-savvy users. One standout aspect is its commitment to user data protection. The browser doesn't track your browsing history, which is a breath of fresh air in today's data-driven world. However, there are a few areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the transparency around its underlying technology and any potential limitations on compatibility with certain websites could use more clarity. The intended audience seems to be those who prioritize privacy without sacrificing performance. Still, anyone accustomed to the extensive extensions and customization options of browsers like Chrome or Firefox might find themselves wanting more flexibility. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Atlas Browser's speed and privacy features are definitely impressive. The ad blocking capability really enhances the browsing experience by reducing clutter and increasing load times. However, there are some frustrations. Users might miss the extensive library of extensions that larger browsers offer, which could limit functionality. Additionally, the lack of detailed information about its data handling policies raises some trust concerns. Pricing isn't an issue since it's free, but it's worth noting that some may prefer a paid option that guarantees no ads or data collection. Overall, while it's great for privacy-conscious users, those who rely heavily on specific browser extensions might find it lacking. In conclusion, Atlas Browser is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their online privacy without compromising speed. If you value a clean, straightforward browsing experience, it's worth trying out. However, if you need extensive customization and features, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, it's a promising start, but there's room for improvement.